Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantor Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 8 English textbook. We are going to start our lesson from unit 4, A Day in the Life of a Chinese School Student. SLOs of this lesson are: illustrate use of regular and irregular verbs in speech and writing. In this lesson, we are going to discuss the regular verbs and the irregular verbs. I hope you are familiar with that because we have also discussed this in your previous class too. So let's have a look here on page number 53 of your textbook. The regular verbs. Most verbs are regular verbs. Regular verbs are those whose past tense and past participles are formed by adding a d or an ed to the end of the verb. Like what? If we have an infinitive verb to roll, so in the simple present tense it will be rolls, in the simple past it will be rolled, and the past participle is rolled, and the present participle is rolling. To plan, plans, planned, planned, planning. To wink, winks, winked, winked, winking. So what are the irregular verbs? There is no formula to predict how an irregular verb will form its past tense and past participle forms. There are mainly three types of irregular verbs. Verbs in which all three forms are different, like to break, breaks, broke, broken, and breaking. You can see the difference. Here the simple past and past participle is totally changed here in this one, in the regular verb. But in this one, the irregular, we have a difference of broke and broken. To swim, swim, swam, and swum, and then swimming. To drink, drink, drank, drunk, drinking. To drive, drives, drove, driven, and driving. To go, goes, went, gone, and going. There is no adding of ed here or d here. That's why they call irregular verb. You can see the difference here: the swam or swum, the drank and drink, the drove or driven, and the went and gone. Verbs in which all the three forms are the same, like cut, 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 cutting. Three forms are the same here. Cut. It don't have any second or third form. Put, put, put. Yes, with the ing you can change it, putting. Verbs in which two of the three forms are the same. Page number 54 here. The example we have: runs, rain, run, running. Can you see the difference? Yes, the simple present we have s here, but the run and the run is the same. In the simple present or the infinitive is meet, but the second and the third form is the same, met, met. And the repaired is the same. The came and come here, and the come here, came, come, came, come. And of course the ing, it changes. These both are same. These both are same here. These both are same here. These both are same. And this are same. Choose the simple past form of the following regular and irregular verb. आपने simple past second form आपने choose करनी है हर verb की. यहाँ पर जितने भी verbs दिए गए हैं आपने उसकी second form choose करनी है. तो become की second form कौन सी होगी? Becomed, became, or become? Yes, the became here. And the choose, chose, chosen, chose, you're choosing. It's wrong with the ed. It's an irregular verb here, not the choosing. It indicates to the present situation here. Chosen is the third form. No. Yes, chose is the second form here. So the begin is begin, beginned, began, or began. With ed it's incorrect. Begin is the first form here. So yes, began is the right option here. And the fourth one is take. Take, took, took, or taken. With ed is incorrect. Taken is the third form here. So the took is the second form here and it's the right one. The bite, it, bite or bit it. Yes, bite is the right answer here. With ed is incorrect. Blow is the blowed, believed or blown. Blown is the third form here. With ed is incorrect. It's a blew here. I want you to choose the correct option for these remaining words too. Some verbs can be both regular and irregular. Example are burn, burnt, burnt. These are the irregular. Burn, burnt, burnt. The regular form. This is the irregular form and it's the regular form. It can be both. Dream, dreamt, dreamt. Dream, dreamed, dreamed. Lean, lent, lent. Lean, leaned, leaned. So, these are the words which can be both irregular and the regular. Page number 55 of your textbook, distinguishing regular and irregular verbs. Distinguishing क्या करना है आपने, अलग करना है इसको. Dictionary are perhaps the most valuable tool one can use in distinguishing between regular and irregular verbs. Dictionary की मदद से आप कर सकते हैं फर्क regular or irregular verbs में. If only one form of the verb is listed, the verb is regular. If the verb is irregular, the dictionary will list the principal parts of the form. अगर रेगुलर वर्ब की एक ही फॉर्म है तो डिक्शनरी में वही फॉर्म लिखी होगी, लेकिन अगर उसकी 3 फॉर्म्स हैं तो सारी 3 फॉर्म्स उसमें सेपरेट लिखी होंगी. कंप्लीट द स्टोरी बाय चेंजिंग द वर्ब्स रेगुलर इर्रेगुलर इन ब्रैकेट्स इनटू द सिंपल पास्ट और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. हमने सिंपल पास्ट के बारे में भी पढ़ा और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल के बारे में भी. अब आपने क्या करना है, ये जो सारी कहानी है पास्ट में लिखी हुई है, आपने जितने भी ये ब्रैकेट में वर्ब दिए गए हैं ये सारे फर्स्ट फॉर्म में है. आपने इसको क्या करना है, चेंज करना है सिचुएशन के मुताबिक, स्टोरी को पढ़ के. वन इवनिंग माई मदर टेल मी दैट देयर आफ्टर आई वुड हैव टू डू द शॉपिंग फॉर फूड. अब टेल की सेकेंड फॉर्म क्या है, यस told. She took me to the corner store to show me the way. सिंपल पास्ट है, आपने सेकेंड फॉर्म लगानी है जितने भी वर्ब्स दिए गए. She took me. I was proud. I feel like a grown up. Feel की सेकेंड फॉर्म क्या है, yes felt. The next afternoon, I loop the basket over my arm and go down the pavement towards the store. Go की second form क्या है, yes went. When reached the corner, a gang of boys grabbed me. अब reach की second form है reached. grab की second form है grabbed. पकड़ लिया, जकड़ लिया. knocked me down, knocked me down. snatched the basket, snatched the basket, second form. take की again आपकी took the money and sent me running home in panic. sent me, sent की second form है sent. बाकी की ब्लैंक्स आपने खुद फिल करनी है, इसको पढ़े और इसी तरह सेकंड फॉर्म आपने सब वर्ब की लगानी है. दिस इज योर होम टास्क फ्रॉम समर पैक, पेज नंबर 25. दिस इज ऑल्सो योर टास्क, समर पैक, पेज नंबर 26. वी हैव एन एक्टिविटी हियर अबाउट द रेगुलर एंड इरेगुलर वर्ब. Regular and irregular verbs are frequently used to show the action in the sentence. Find the difference between these two types and classify them below with examples. We have discussed both these two with examples, so you have to separate them, the regular and the irregular verbs. यहाँ पर आपने जितने भी regular verbs है वो लिखने और यहाँ पर irregular verbs है वो लिखने. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.